Alright y'all, so back from the other video, I gotta get the might get this vending machine ready. There's some soap and some water. Why did I let the water warm up? What? Before I pour the soap. That's a new mistake. Make sure y'all check out my gaming channel too. And if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so I can quit my job, please. I'm gonna go into depression if I gotta work there again. Ask my girl. She know I goes into depression when I gotta work a job I don't want to work. Like right now I got one of the best jobs I ever had. Like this is the best. No, this ain't one of the best. This is the best job I ever had. And it's like depressing because it's not really what I want to do. And people are like, what you want to do? Do this, go be a police officer, go do this, go do that, go back to school. But if I go do that and I succeed in that, at the end of the day, when I go to sleep and lay down, or when I get up and I gotta go do that, I won't be happy. And when I come back to what I really want to do, it's this. It's this. And people might think, you can't make a living from that, you can't do that, you need a backup plan. I would sell my house right now. Hold on, Leek. Hold on. Think before you start speaking. I probably want to sell my house, but I would sell all my cars. Maybe not the Nissan because that's my baby. But I really want this. I want this to work, and I'm determined it's gonna work. I gotta grind for it. If I don't do it, it's just gonna repeat a repeating cycle. I'm just gonna keep going through stuff. You see my finger? Make sure y'all go check out the video. Check out the video for my finger. But I really want to do this. I want to make videos, movies. I want to make brands. I want to create videos. I want to make short films. I want to produce. I want to make music. I want to do so much. I'm so versatile when it comes to stuff. Like I want to create stuff. I want to build things. I want to build an entire empire. I don't want to wait until it's too late. I don't want to be depressed my whole life, not chasing my dreams. I'm tired of it. I got, what, 4 or 5 more months before I gotta work every single day before winter time. I gotta prepare for winter. Because if I don't, I'm gonna be sad. Big sad. And even though my son's won, he look up to me. I'm like Superman. He the coolest baby, huh? Matter of fact, let's go check on him real quick. Had to get up out of there. I didn't want him to see me. He told me to come get him. What up, y'all? Found a quarter. Put it in this candy machine. Woo! It's a candy machine. I need to clean it. It got old candy on it. Candy. But I gotta get these pops out of here. I gotta do something, man. I gotta work with what I got. Look at these flat pops. If I get 5 likes, I would drink this. How old is this again? How old is this again? 0, 3, 12, 18. Alright, what's that, 3 years? Yeah. 19, 20, 21. Alright. And that's a March. So, if I get, yeah, it's right here. March 2018. If I get 5 likes, fuck it, I'm gonna drink it right now. Give me, like the video, man. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe so I can watch out. Oh, it don't taste like nothing. Yeah, this is 3 years old, and it's just flat. I thought it was gonna be nasty. Yeah. But if I get 10 likes, that's it. 10 likes. If I get 10 likes, I drink a whole bottle of this. A whole bottle of this.
And a whole bottle of water.
Or a water, or a Sprite, or a.
Dude, that Sprite, I feel like the Sprite would be nasty.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna save them. I'ma say that.
Put them in the refrigerator too.
Oh hell no. I'ma leave them in here.
They can be hot as fuck.
Oh well.
And you gonna drink the whole bottle.
Well, I think this is like a squirt. You ever heard of squirt? This is the squirt when that girl used to be twerking around with the headband on. You remember no commercials?
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Okay. I thought
I guess it just go flat after a certain amount of time. Grapefruit.
After carbonation, probably.
Yeah, it probably say grapefruit soda. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, 10 likes. I drink this and a Coke. I drink half and half. 10 likes. But yeah, I gotta get these cleaned out. I gotta get this battery changed. I mean, it's not the battery. I gotta get this changed. I gotta get this lock changed. Cleaned out, vacuumed out. I gotta vacuum this out. Get all the money out. Except the dollar bills. The dollar bills I'm leaving there. But this dime, this already full of change, so I ain't gonna really add it. I just gotta clean it out, wipe it out, plug it up and test it. I got 3 other machines behind here. I'm just gonna sell. Practice how I'm gonna fill this up. Just like that. Y'all just found some help. It's a Sprite. It tell me the numbers. Remember how I remember me telling y'all the numbers. But the numbers of those, it's numbers on these, like which drink go where. It got 12 slots, but to tell me which slot go to what. And I'm glad that's there because I wanted to know. Oh yeah, okay. So I got this lockout. I thought I had to take out all of the screws, like take out the whole thing, but I don't. So I can put that one bolt back, and this whole thing slid out the front. Let me make sure the whole thing ain't damaged. Nope, it's just this. So what I'm about to do is take this off. Washer. This. Wait. Can't remember. Hold up. Oh shit. That's all they gave me. So I gotta change this. Alright y'all, just pop this clip off. It's like an E-clip. C-clip, E-clip. I think I made it like that. Damn, y'all. I gotta trim it. Or, what if I just do this? Pop this one out. Well, I think I destroyed. Y'all think I can use this? I don't focus. Hell nah, y'all can't even see inside of there. It's like destroyed. I don't think I can use that. It's too wide, so I'm gonna have to come in here and trim up the edges a little. Cause this ain't going in there all the way. Anyway, I got it on there, so. But I still need to trim. Let's see how it works. Think you're lonely. I gotta switch these rods out. Little tie rod things. Y'all, I'm using the old one. It's better. It's better. It's better. It's best this way. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, okay. Oh wait, I gotta take this one off too. I'm fried. Luckily, this one easier. Oh fuck! Man, I lost. I should have looked. Oh, go ahead, go. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Go get him. I don't know what he chasing. I hope it ain't a human. He over there making friends. Alright, everybody, check this out. Wait. There we go. There we go. We in there. I gotta, I don't know, lube this up or something. Throw some butter on it. And spit. Pink lemonade. I'm gonna have pink lemonade in there. I'm gonna have regular lemonade in there. I'm gonna have water. I'm gonna have Coke. I'm gonna have Sprite. I'm gonna have Fanta. Tahitian treat. And that's probably about it. But I'm gonna throw a lock on the side. So I already got the spots for it. And down there, I'm gonna throw locks on the side. Just to be precautious. Cause I don't know. I don't have locations yet. But we're done. Add this to my thing. My thing of keys. Cause them other three, I need to order locks. I need to order the bill collector. I need to order the coin thing. And I ain't got all that. I mean, I'm trying to get my foot in the door right now, so. And I only bought the machine for $300. I bought all three for $300. So next on my vending journey is my contracts, mosquitoes, my insurance. Look for a location. Once I get a location, I'm gonna come in and clean them. Jump for me. Jump for me. So I can record you. I'm getting big. Look at this bike.
Already?
Yeah, look at this bike.
Dang. Look at this.
A titty. I seen a fat ass spider in there.
Huh?
I seen a fat spider in there. Do a backflip. Do a front flip.
I'm gonna do it on the thing.
No, do that then.
Part, like the top part, leaning over.
Do a front. I'm getting bit. Do a flip. I'm getting bit.
Oh, I got scared. And I was like,
What?
Still recording me? Don't record me. I'm just trying to do a capture on the inside of the flip. I'm just trying.
Under pressure. Look at this fucking bite. I don't know what
You see me?
Huh?
Yes, shit. I did it.
I ain't see it.
Oh.
I missed it.